Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to take quality pictures with iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to configure your iPhone camera. So, open your phone settings, scroll down, locate and click on camera. Once you click on camera, click on format. Then select most compatible. If you have the photo capture feature on your own, go ahead and turn on Apple Pro RAW. Then go back, scroll down, click on preserve settings. Then turn on every feature under preserve settings here. Now, come to composition, turn on grid, turn on level. Then you may choose to disable mirror front camera. And then, after that, you want to scroll down and then disable Smart HDR. This is going to turn off auto enhance on the photo. Now, to take high quality picture with your iPhone, go ahead and open the camera. Then, if I were you, I will take this on portrait. With portrait, you'll be able to blur the background on the photo and focus on the main object. Once you select portrait, then go ahead and position the object in view. So let's say this. Then this is going to guide you whether to move further away like this or move closer to the object. You see that? So that is the essence of portrait. Then go ahead and take your photo. Once you hit the snapshot, this is going to take your photo. And if you choose to take photos directly, this is going to give you a very quality photo that you cannot imagine. For instance, let's say you want to take a photo of this. You can see how beautiful this is in the camera. So go ahead, position the object in view, and then hit the shutter button to take your photo. And then you are good. So that is basically how to take quality pictures or quality photos with iPhone camera. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.